I might have 200 million subscribers, but that is not important. What's important is that I get my best friend Webb enough views that he's making $10,000 a month from YouTube. It's not easy, but he's tired of working for the man. So if he has to jump in a pit of alligators, or drive a train through a house, whatever he needs to do to get those views, we're going to take care of him.
What's going on, guys? It's the big homie SNOOPDOGG, and I'm just chilling with my brother from another mother, AI Webb, and I just wanted y'all to know if you don't subscribe to my boy's channel, you're missing out. Who wouldn't want the big homie Snoop Dogg to do voiceovers on their videos for free?
Hey guys, it's Gwyneth Paltrow, and I just subscribed to my best friend's channel, AI Webb, because he figured out how to get me to narrate videos completely for free. But it's not just me, there's other celebrities too, like the one and only Mr. Beast.
Say goodbye to the days of paying for robotic text-to-speech voices that won't get monetized on YouTube, because I have found you a free AI voiceover with emotion, and there's even famous people here too.
These are the best AI voices I've ever found that are completely free to use, and they actually have emotion.
If you guys are looking for that overused AI voice that all the AI channels like to use and magically get 100,000 subscribers in a matter of 2 months, you can stop looking because I found it for free on this site.
Sometimes it's nice to go out west, get on a horse, and ride into the sunset without a phone and no way of being disturbed by the outside world, just you, your horse, and beautiful Mother Nature.
I never told you it would be easy to make enough money online to be able to quit your job. It's actually quite the opposite. You have to be persistent in the face of resistance. You have to persevere when it seems that light at the end of the tunnel has all but faded.
Nobody is coming to save you. There's no life raft. There's nothing left but you and your own willpower. Now it's time to get real and ask yourself, am I going to get up and fight tooth and nail until the universe realizes I refuse to be beaten?
I'll fight so hard the universe will be forced to change its course of direction and allow me to pass on to financial freedom. It's either that or be rolled over like a speed bump.
I'll fight so hard the universe will be forced to change its course of direction and allow me to pass on to financial freedom. It's either that or be rolled over like a speed bump. I'm going to do an update on my YouTube earnings for my first month being monetized and let you guys get an inside look at how much these videos earn, so stay tuned if you're interested in seeing the financial side of this channel.
For those of you who don't know, my goal is to make $10,000 a month on YouTube so I can quit my job, become financially independent without relying on an employer ever again, and then being able to spend my time at home with my wife and daughters. Then once I reach that goal, I'll teach you guys how to do it as well.
This is hands down the best free AI voice generator I have ever come across. And without a doubt, it will be the best one you guys can find as well.
Make sure you guys give this video a like, so YouTube can push it out to a lot of people, and that way we'll be helping out so many others looking for a free solution to the AI voice problem.
If you guys are looking for an AI voiceover that can be monetized on YouTube without spending any money, then you can thank me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel.
What's going on, guys? I have found an AI voiceover tool for you guys that is completely for free. But first, I just want you guys to make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video because I want the video to be pushed out. I want YouTube to really push this video out, guys. This is the best text-to-speech tool that I have ever found, and it is completely for free. And look, guys, if you look right here, you can see they have famous people as well. It's not just normal voices. They have Gwyneth Paltrow, Snoop Dogg, Mr. Beast. As you could see from the intro, I showed you all those different voices. And then if you click over here under products and you go over here under the AI voice studio, you could see they have so many different tools on here, guys. So if you go over here, you could just find AI voiceover, or you could find the voice cloning tool or the AI dubbing tool, transcription. They have everything on this website, guys. So here under AI voice generator, you'll find all these different voices, and they're extremely realistic. All those people that you just heard, I was just using all these voices here. So like this, if you're a woman out there and you want to use a text-to-speech voice, this one right here, Carly, is extremely realistic. Like, I'll just put something simple. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now if you click on Carly and you hear this voice,
hey guys, welcome to my channel.
It's just a very realistic voice. So yeah, this is just crazy, guys. This is super realistic, super high quality. I never heard any free text-to-speech tool like this one, and they have so many different voices. This is the one, Kyle, right here. This is the one.
Welcome to my channel.
That's the one that like everybody be using, or at least it sounds very similar to the one that everybody uses. For the AI voice, for the AI channels, if they're using the voiceover, a lot of people use this one. So like it would be something like, it'll be something like this. If you hear a video, if you click on a video and you hear this straight away, you'll know like,
I found a brand new niche on the TikTok creativity program that made me $25,000 in just 48 hours.
See, you recognize that voice? You know, it's always like that AI voice with something ridiculous starting off on the video. So yeah, if you hear that, you know, and if you want something similar, if you want to use that voice and you want to use it for free, click on this one, Kyle. So that one sounds very similar to that. Or you could have like a Western dude.
I found a brand new niche on the TikTok creativity program that made me $25,000 in just 48 hours.
Yeah. So he probably wouldn't be on TikTok. He'd be out riding horses or something. But yeah, so if you guys want like a voiceover.
I found a brand new niche on the TikTok creativity program that made me $25,000 in just 48 hours.
So this is the tool, you guys. It's by Speechify, and it's just a crazy, high realistic, it's extremely realistic text-to-speech voice.
Speechify is used by more than 20 million.
If you just click on text-to-speech at the top up here, and then you could just type in whatever or you could paste in your script or whatever, you know. So I'll just get a script real quick and I'll show you Mr. Beast. You can have Mr. Beast read your script or whatever it is that you want to do. I'll just say, I'm going to tell Harpa to write me a quick 1 minute.
In a world where every living creature plays a vital role, there's one tiny insect that holds an extraordinary importance: the honeybee. Despite their small size, honeybees are giants in the ecological realm. They're not just honey producers, they're the unsung heroes of our food system.
Yeah, so as you guys can tell, the AI voices are extremely realistic, even the ones that are supposedly for the celebrities like Mr. Beast, Snoop Dogg, Gwyneth Paltrow. They're extremely realistic. They have emotion in the voice, they have inflection, so they can speak at different types of tones, you know. So it's just the most realistic AI voices that I've heard, and it's free. And honestly, I feel like this is just as good, if not better, than 11 Labs voices, and this is completely for free. So yeah, you guys, if you guys want to use it, so if you guys want to use an AI voice for your YouTube channel or something, or if you're looking to go that route and you want to get monetized and you're worried about getting monetized with the AI voice, make sure you use one that's good quality, like this one, that sounds very human-like, just like this one, because that way you'll have no problem getting monetized. There's tons of channels getting monetized with the AI voices. It's just that you got to make sure that your content is delivering value in some sort of fashion. And if you're using other people's content like fair use, like you're going to edit it and use just clips of it, make sure that you're making it transformative. So you're doing edits, you're doing narrations like voiceovers, and just providing more value than just the clip itself, and you'll have no problem getting monetized. But I wanted to show you guys this free text-to-speech tool. As you can see right here at the top, it says free text-to-speech online, so you could use it right here online. And I don't even think I'm signed in right now to the website, so that there alone will show you that it's completely free, because I'm not even signed in. So yeah, that's how you guys can get a super realistic text-to-speech voice, an AI voice with celebrity voices, and just tons of different voices that are very, very human-like, that have emotion and that have inflection in their voices. And it's completely for free. So make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I want to make sure that YouTube pushes this video out and gets it out to a ton of people, you guys. So make sure you like this video right here and go ahead and test it out for yourselves, and let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you think that this is the best free text-to-speech tool. If it is, comment down below, this is the best free text-to-speech tool. Thank you for finding me this, because yeah, I did the research and I found it, and I was so surprised at how amazing this voice is. The quality is crazy. I was blown away by it. A lot of these voices are insane how real they sound. So all right guys, I was just checking in with y'all. I wanted to show you guys this tool, and I will see you in the next video.